arbitrationagreements.org. Have you ever been caught up in a legal dispute and thought there has to be a better way? Well, there is, and it's called Alternative Dispute Resolution, or a DR for short. Before we begin, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save you a great deal of time and money. Let's dive into some astonishing facts to get things rolling. Did you know that nearly 95% of all lawsuits end up being settled before they reach court? And did you know that cases settled through ADR typically conclude in months, instead of the several years it can take through traditional litigation? Mind-blowing, right? But let's get to the real deal here. Why is ADR the better choice over traditional court battles? First and foremost, it's faster. And who doesn't like to save time? Then there's the cost aspect. A study found that parties can save up to 60% of what they'd otherwise spend in litigation costs. That's a big chunk of change you could be using elsewhere. And let's not forget the stress factor. Traditional litigation can be emotionally draining. A DR, on the other hand, is more collaborative. It's about working together to find solutions that benefit everyone involved. Now, you might be wondering, where do I start? Great question. We at arbitrationagreements.org are here to help. We are the top association in the country offering full-scale ADR programs, services, and resources. When you choose us, you're not just getting an organization, you're getting a committed team that's passionate about finding resolutions. So if you or your company are looking to settle a case in the most efficient and effective manner, why not give ADR a shot? Head on over to arbitrationagreements.org and let us guide you through the process. Now, our association does not provide legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Also, what do you think about ADR? Does it seem like a potential solution to resolving a dispute? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.